What if your child didn't have to wait to make a difference? From July 5th to July 12th this year at Red River Outpost, something powerful is happening. Our children's medical missionary training is more than just a program. It's a calling to teach, to heal, and to love like Jesus did. Through hands-on experiences, children will learn how the body works, simple natural remedies, nutrition, cleanliness, and first aid. Because the medical missionary work is not just for adults, it's not just for professionals, it's for every willing heart. This week isn't just training, it's planting seeds. Seeds of purpose, seeds of compassion, seeds that will grow into a lifetime of service. Your child can be part of something bigger. So join us July 5th to July 12th this year at Red River Outpost. Let's raise up a generation that brings healing and hope to the world. Spots are limited. Click the link below to register today.